ബോട്ടിൽ കയറി ഇരിപ്പ് തുടങ്ങി. ഇനി അടുത്ത ഇൻസ്ട്രക്ഷന് വേണ്ടി വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം. ഇനി ബോട്ടിൽ എവിടത്തേക്കോ പോകണം.
Captain Dustin, everybody say hi to Captain Dustin for me.
Hi.
All right, before we get started today, I'm going to go ahead and go over some safety features with you all. First off, you want to use this again? It's only my hoodie. First off, all of your seats do have compartments. Within these compartments, we have life jackets. Now, the majority of your seats are adult life jackets, with an exception for this seat. We have children's life jackets. At the back of the boat, we do have 2 life-preserving rings, as well as a self-deploying life raft. Now, I've got a question for you all. If somebody were to go overboard, what do we say?
Man overboard.
Right, man overboard. Exactly. If somebody were to go man overboard, I need you, and you to all yell man overboard and send somebody to get either me or the captain so we can help them on out of the water. Your biggest job is to keep them pointed out and keep eyes on them at all times so we can help them as quickly as possible. We do also have fire extinguishers on board. We have one up here with Captain Dustin, one underneath this marked seat here, and one underneath this very back marked seat there behind your coat, madam. There it is. 3 native tribes here in southeast Alaska, the Tlingits. Now, the Tlingit word for Ketchikan means the thundering wings of an eagle. Ketchikan actually sits here on an island. Does anybody have a guess for what the island is called?
Ketchikan Island.
Close. That's the name of the city. It's all right. It's a bit of a tongue twister. It's actually called Revillagigedo Island. Now, Revillagigedo Island is about 35 miles wide by 50 miles long and is the 12th largest island in the U.S., as well as the 166th largest island in the world. Now, up straight ahead here, you can see a few old silver buildings. This is an old salmon cannery. Mr. Libby's Salmon Cannery, to be exact. The largest of the 13. Now, these salmon canneries that we had here in Ketchikan used a very, I just forgot the word. Effective, that's the word. Very effective method for catching all of their fish, the fish trap. These fish traps were massive, as you can see up on your screens, and they were made of what was real similar to chicken wire fence and gill net that would sit down 150 feet deep in the water, weighed down by anchors with big cedar logs across the top. Up on your screens, you can see an example of how some of these fish traps were set up in a big temperate rainforest in the entire world. The Tongass National Forest is a whopping 16.7 million acres and is 500 miles wide by 300 miles long. We have a few different types of trees here in the Tongass National Forest, including the Sitka spruce, which is the Alaska state tree. We have the red and yellow cedar, as well as hemlock and red alder. Now, cedar specifically is a very important tree that has been used throughout our history here, in Ketchikan, due to its very high resin content. It makes it very weather resistant to our very wet climate. So these cedar trees have been used to make totem poles, canoes, docks, and decks for your houses. Now, speaking of totem poles, here in Ketchikan we actually have the largest collection of standing totem poles in the entire world. These totem poles tell a story about each of their native tribes, culture, and heritage, starting from the bottom working up, with the very top of the totem pole usually being finished with their clan head. We have 3 different native tribes here in southeast Alaska and Ketchikan, those being the Tlingit, the Tsimshian and the Haida. Just 20 miles away from Ketchikan is an island called Annette Island. And on this island is the Annette Island Native Reserve. Now, within this reserve is a small town called Metlakatla. Metlakatla is Tsimshian for saltwater passage. And there is majority Tsimshian native people.